When it comes to buying a cheap electronic drum set, not all are created equally. Even though budget sets for beginners have come a long way, no one wants to make the wrong purchase. This is why we did extensive research and vetted electronic drum kits available at major online retailers under $500, using the Jerink algorithm to find the most responsive, playable, and absolute bargains for this current generation of electronic kits. There are many products available to choose from. Best cheap electronic drum set, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best cheap electronic drum set from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Alisys Debut Kit. First, on our list, we have the Alisys Debut Kit. Aimed squarely at younger beginners and smaller players, this kit is designed to be the ultimate learning tool with a tiny footprint for small budgets. It sports mesh heads, a plethora of sounds, and 60 free lessons from melodics. The module comes with 10 preset kits, a built-in metronome, and an integrated drum coach feature to help build your timing. It also comes with everything you need to start drumming, including the sticks, headphones, and the drum throne. Along with the great feel of the mesh heads, the USB MIDI out is useful for triggering drum kits and drum education software on their PC and tablets. The button-style pedals are a bit finicky to trigger with your feet. They could have done more with the Melodics partnership, with users reporting only 5 minutes a day of free lessons, even with the promo code. I feel this is a missed opportunity to provide value beyond just promoting another product. Number 2. Alisys Nitro Mesh Kit. The Alisys Nitro Mesh Kit gives you quite a lot for the money. As the name implies, it features all mesh pads along with a hi-hat, crash cymbal, and ride. The dual-zone snare features mesh material that gives it a feel closer to an acoustic snare than regular rubber pads. The same material is also used on the kit's 3/8 mesh toms. Completing the set are 3/10 cymbals, a hi-hat pedal, and a kick pedal with a tower. All of these are mounted on its 4-post rack, which is a definite plus if you like to strike your drums hard. While the posts are tough, the cables are a bit thin, so proper handling and cable setup are needed. The mesh heads have a springy trampoline feel to them that might not be for everyone, but they're tunable, so you can mitigate this somewhat by dialing in the tension to taste. All of these connect to the Alisys Nitro drum module, which offers 40 drum kit sounds, 385 individual sounds, and 60 play-along tracks right out of the box. Number 3. Yamaha DTX 402K. The Yamaha DTX 402K was released in 2018, and while not quite as popular as the newer Alisys options, it has been well received by those who bought it. This is one of the entry-level descendants of the electronic drums I currently have at home. The Express One launched in the year 2000. And it retains what's good with Yamaha electronic drums, with rubber heads that are responsive and durable, and no-frills solution to triggering. They don't feel like real acoustic drums, but in this case, they don't have to, because they are good enough for novice to intermediate level drumming. I even use the pads with the module turned off. The rebound is nice enough to get a late-night drum workout. While this kit is aimed at students, even experienced drummers like myself still find good use with this kit. It lacks a dual-zone snare, but partly makes up for that with chokeable cymbals, feature beginners are more likely to use. Number 4. Roland V Drums TD1 DMK. Straying a bit from our hypothetical budget of below $500, is the Roland TD1 DMK. For the extra money, you get a great Roland kit with 2-ply mesh heads. It doesn't come with a kick pedal, drumsticks, throne, or external speaker, but you do get a great quality electronic drum set. The strength of this kit is its quality mesh heads, which feel much closer to an acoustic drum head. It has good bounce and impressive sensitivity, similar to more premium drum kits. The kit pad is also quite good. It's small and attached to the main rack, but it has good sensitivity, and is wide enough to accommodate double pedals. You also get good control over your sound on the choke cable cymbals and hi-hat. I'm not a fan of the hi-hat pedal. It would have been nice if it used a mechanical hi-hat stand. Configuration-wise, it might be similar to the offerings of Donner. Number 5. Donner DED 300. The Donner DED 300 electronic drum set has a 10-inch hi-hat and a 12-inch crash rides that can be precisely sensed each time you strike. Both ride and crash support the cymbal surface and dual triggering off the edge. The rubber-made soft surface can effectively remove physical noise, giving you a better experience. The dual pedaling on the bass drum restores the kicking feel to deliver the best sound. This beginner electronic drum set allows you to create your music. It is suitable for band training, commercial performance, teaching training, and practice at home. The USB to MIDI interface is one of the most useful features. Therefore, you can create a link with the DAW software and use it as a unique tool for music creation. There are multiple inbuilt functions such as recording performance, metronome, and song accompaniment. You can connect your sound card and record your music creation as well. This Donner drum set has a sturdy stand for improving safety and stability. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.